if x and y satisfy the equations mod x plus y equals to 15 and x plus mod y minus y equals to 20, then find the value of x minus y. Now, you see the main problem here is mod x, right? Okay, and here mod y. So we know that ki mod x will be x if x is more than equal to 0. So if there is a number which is non-negative, positive or 0, mod x will be just copy and paste, and mod x will be minus x if x is negative. We know that, right? Now, to solve this, better let's make a x axis, y axis. So let's say this is x axis, this is y axis, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant. So here x is positive, okay, and y is also positive. X and y both are positive, right? Here x and y are both positive, okay. So here x is positive, y is also positive, okay. We can consider the boundary point also, so we can say equal to also, not a problem. So in that case, this boundary points are also included, right? Now let's see in this quadrant if we are getting any solution. So in this quadrant, this equation with mod x will be what? It will become x, right? X plus, so x, this will be remain as x, so x plus x, okay, plus y equals to 15. That means we got 2x plus y equal to 15, 2x plus y equals to 15, okay. Now, let's see the second one, it will be x plus mod y is positive, so it will become y, okay, and minus y is equal to 20, right. So, from y cancel, we got x equals to 20, right. Now, if x is 20, if you substitute it here, right, here x is 20 is coming valid, right. Let's put value of 20. So, here 20 to the 40, 40 plus y is 15. So, y will become minus 25, right, okay. So, 20 into 2, 40 plus y. So, y will become 15 minus 25, y is negative. Now, we have assumed that here y and x both are non-negative, right, okay. So, this solution, I mean x is 20 and y is minus 25, this is not valid. So, we will not get any solution in this quadrant, the first quadrant. Let us see in this case, here you know like x is negative, okay, and y is positive, right, okay. Okay. Now, so what has happened? Let us see here, mod x will be, x is negative, it will be minus x plus x and plus y. This is giving us 15 equals to 15. So, now x cancels. So, we got y 15, okay, y 15 is okay because y is positive. Let us check the second one, x plus mod y, right. So, x plus mod y is positive, right, sorry, okay, fine. So, here I am did a mod x minus x plus x, okay. So, y equals to, we got 15, right. Second one, x mod y is y, right. So, mod y is y because y is positive, minus y equals to 20, y cancel. So, here we got x is 20, x 20 and y 15 both are positive, but here we in this quadrant x should be negative and y positive, we got both positive. So, again this is an invalid solution, right. Let us go to third quadrant, both are negative, right, x is also negative, y is also negative, right. So, this one mod x will be minus x. So, here we got minus x plus, it will be, I mean similar to this one, right. So, minus x plus y equals to 15, right. X is cancelled, so y is 15, okay. Already we got y positive, here y has to be negative, right. So, no need to check the second one, right, because y is already negative, both have to be negative, but you got y positive. So, no need to check for x, right. So, will not get any solution, right? Here x is positive, y is negative, x is positive. So, first one mod x will be x plus x plus y equals to 15. So, that means 2x plus y equals to 15. Okay. Now, let us check the second one, x plus mod y. Okay. X plus mod y, y is negative. So, mod y will be minus y, again minus y equals to 20, right. So, here we got x minus 2y, x minus 2y is equals to 20, right. Okay. Let us solve these two. So, let us multiply this by 2 and add. So, 2y got cancelled. So, 2 to ja 4, 4x plus x, 5x equals to 15 to ja 30 and plus 20, 50. So, we got x equals to 10, we got x equal to 10, put the value of x equal to 10 here. Okay. So, 10, if put the value of x 10 in any one of the equation, right, let us say put it here, right. So, 10 to ja 20, x is 10, so 20, so y will be 15 minus 20, right, 15 minus 20 which is minus 5. So, y is minus 5. So, you see x is positive, y is negative, x is positive, y is negative. This is the valid solution. The question asked is x minus y. So, x minus y, so x is we got 10, 10 minus y, y is minus 5. So, it will be 10 plus 5. So, 15 is the answer. So, answer is 15, 1 5 is 15. Okay. So, answer is 15, which is option B. Okay. I hope this is clear.